right, people, we are at a historic building in St. Louis that used to be the Otis elevator office here. So naturally they have an Otis elevator, and we are going to take a detailed look at this historic elevator, including a ride on this elevator, as well as a look at this epic bottom drive machine room. But since elevaTOURS is all about being healthy, we're going to walk the steps first. And you can also watch the elevator come up. Now we're going to go downstairs and start our video of this amazing Otis elevator. Before we ride the elevator, let's see what actually makes it move. All right, now let's take a ride. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.